Probably one of the best things I've learned out of working with my dad is being patient and building a good relationship with clients.
You get to learn more about each other. Not every day we get on 100%. Some things change in the trade. He's got his ideas, I've got mine, and mine are old-fashioned, obviously, so that's the biggest thing.
Before Greg actually started his apprenticeship, around about a 13-year-old, where he'd come home from school, get changed, jump on the backhoe and come to where we were working. Local cops didn't sort of like that too much and eventually said, look, we've got to do something about this, and made him get a tractor licence.
When Jesse first started, just doing roofing, you used to watch him crawl around on his bum. He didn't have the confidence to walk around too much, slipping and sliding, you sort of used to have a chuckle to yourself. Then you watch him grow, and all of a sudden they're just sprinting around the roof now, and the changes are just amazing.
I've got to take on a few more roles and get trusted in a few more things and sort of get forgiven a bit more for the mistakes a bit. It's a bit hard for him to sack me, so it's been pretty good.